As you are working on this project here, you are going to be baking some cookies from a recipe. So here is your recipe so you can see how many it makes. That's the word yields. It yields this many, it makes this many. And you can see the ingredients we have here, the directions, what you are cooking is some hazelnut chocolate chip cookies. And bonus points if you go home and make them for me. So what you are going to do is first you are going to be calculating how many you need. So we want to serve 24 people, so they each get one cookie. And so we need to think of how many we need and then what's going to happen to that. So here you can kind of see an example of how we would fill this out. So if we needed milk, and that says eggs, that's fun. And again, milk, we need 2.5 cups originally in the recipe. And normally I can serve 12 people. If I'm trying to make 24, from here to here, I times it by 2. So I times this by 2. Here's my total. So think about how many does this recipe serve? So this is just an example. Anytime you see blue, that's an example. Anytime you see red, you need to click on that and change that. So anytime you see red, that is where you are clicking to update those. So how much is the original recipe? So here's how much you have to start. Here's what we need to get to. We need to get to 24 people. So you're going to just repeat that for all of the ingredients. So we're trying to find the correct proportions for this recipe. So, because you can see how many it makes here, that's going to be too much. We need to only make it for 24 people. So now this tells us to use this information for the next 2 slides. So you're going to be comparing different types of these butter, flour, and baking soda or baking powder to see which one is the better deal. So we're given the recipe, we're trying to pick the better ingredient that will be a better deal. So you can see again, blue is an example. So I typed the brand here. So this one was $4.99 and I got 12 eggs. So that meant one egg, or I'm trying to find the unit rate, was only 42 cents for this egg. And this brand here had $2.99. So it sounds better, but I only got 6 eggs and they turned out to be 50 cents per egg. If you need to, you can round to the nearest. So go to the thousands place and then round to the nearest hundredth. And then move the smiley face to the better option. So option A was a better deal. So you're going to find the better deal for butter, the better deal for the flour, the better deal for baking powder. Then after that, we also have some ingredients we need to purchase as well. So it tells us that we already have a lot of things at home. There's a few more things we need from the store. And these are on sale. How convenient. So you are going to tell me how much it is. So again, I bought milk. It cost $2.70, but there was a 10% coupon. So $2.70 and it was 10%. So remember, percents are always out of 100. So I found that I got 27 cents off. So 10% of $2.70 is 27 cents. Now off means we're taking that away. So if it was $2.70 and I'm saving 27 cents, my new total is $2.43 for that milk. And then you're going to tell me how much you are buying. So when you find this total, do not include the milk. I'm going to add that right there. Do not include the milk. So that was just the example. So blue is the example. Red is what you need to fill out to complete your cookies.